Okay, we're gonna prep our roof poly. So on the bottom of the poly, it gets a H with 2 holes in it, and that's for the weep holes to let condensation and moisture out. So with doing that, I just do a couple dabs, just sort of at quarter points. And I take my setting block and I just push them in. So normally I'll just take all my H's with the holes on the bottom and I'll just prep them before I even start this. It just goes in the bottom. It's a little bit loose. So what I like to do is sort of slide it, give it a little pinch on both sides. Then it stays in there more snug. This is an under ridge panel, so it does not get an H on the top. Under vent panels will get an H. Okay, we're gonna glaze the under ridge 5-wall panel. So we're gonna peel our foam. And I suggest that you peel as you go instead of peeling everything. The reason for that, if you don't end up finishing your roof, dust and pine needles and anything get stuck onto this. So that's why I do it that way. So Greg's gonna put his end in first. You're in. We're not gonna fully put the poly down. So Greg, I want you to put your hand underneath and just sort of curl it. Yeah. I'm gonna send it down. Okay, we're in. So my H is tight to the bottom of the gutter. We've got good spacing, we're looking good. And if you find that your roof is sort of out of kilter and not fitting well, this is the time to do it, not 4 bays in. So if we had to send the ridge this way, Greg at the top would jerk the ridge so we get this nice and straight, or bring it back. So now we can take a cap. There we go. Yep. So I'm in, and we can go. Once it's capped off, peel your poly, on to the next one.